Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. Today we are going to make some plantain porridge and fried breadfruit with scrambled egg. So these are all my ingredients. Here's my plantain. It was in the freezer, so that's why it looked like this. And these are in freezer as well. As you all can see, I already have ice on them, so I have to let them thaw it out. I have my eggs over there. Right here I have my cornstarch to put into my take into my porridge. I have my ground cinnamon, I have my nutmeg, I have my condensed milk, I have some vanilla extract and my salt. Also you will need olive oil or any other oil to make the fried breadfruit and the scrambled egg. And yeah guys, that's it. So let's get right into it.
So to prepare the breadfruit for roasting, you want to remove the stem and square X at the bottom, and that's just to allow the heat to penetrate the breadfruit properly. I'm going to allow this to roast at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about an hour, minimum 1 hour. 15 minutes later, breadfruit ready. What you can also do is to insert a knife, and if there's no resistance, breadfruit ready. So depending on the size of the breadfruit, the roasting time will vary. The bigger the breadfruit, you need more time for it to roast. Alright, so go ahead and peel the breadfruit, slice it up and enjoy. So for those who are not familiar with breadfruit, it's similar to freshly baked bread. Once you're done peeling the breadfruit, cut it in half and remove the center, and that's what we call the heart of the breadfruit.
breadfruit, good fever, grass tea, roast breadfruit, and then it fried with scrambled egg.